Hello, this is Aniket Madhukar Jadhav from Computer Engineering First Year Department, and I am from Division 9 and my roll number is 19, and today I am going to explain you about my project, that is Logic Gates. As I said, my project is based on Logic Gates, so I have made AND gate and OR gate. So first of all, we will see the requirements which were required to make this project. So we will see the requirements which were required in AND gate. Here I have used two switches, two cells each of 1.5 volt and one blinking light which gives us output or result, and I have also used 1 wire to make the circuit for my project. And in OR gate we have used two switches, two cells each of 1.5 volt and one blinking light which gives us result or output, and we have also used 1 of wire to make the circuit. And now we will see how the logic gates actually works. So first we will see how AND gate actually works. As we have studied earlier, AND gate states that if both the switches are turned on, then only the light will glow. Here we have used two switches, and here 0 denotes the switch is turned off and 1 denotes that the switch is turned on. And we have used the truth table for AND gate, and here it shows that if both the switches are turned off, the light will not glow, and if any one of the switches is turned on, then also the light will not glow. And the final observation is that if both the switches are turned on, then the light will glow, and this is the real statement of AND gate. So now we will see how OR gate actually works. As we know, OR gate states that if any one of the switch is turned on, then the light will glow. Here we have the truth table for the OR gate, and it shows that if both the switches are turned off, then the light will not glow, and if any one of the switches is turned on, then the light will glow. Whether it is switch A or whether it is switch B, the light will glow, and if both the switches are turned on, then also the light will glow. And this is the statement of OR gate.